We covered multiple times this topic, friends. Okay, day 14. Day 13 we completed, right? Please confirm. Please confirm. Day 13 we completed, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Day 14. How to make good habits. Good habits. Sir, inevitable. Inevitable means so we can't avoid. Compulsory we are going to do. Mandatory. How to make a good habits? Inevitable. Inevitable means how we can make good habits. Compulsory we require to do that. Okay, like and bad habits. And bad habits impossible. Impossible. Okay. How to make good habits? Inevitable. So compulsory we require to do. And bad habits impossible. Impossible. Like sir, how the design. What is this word? Can you please, everyone, can you please spell out once this word? Everyone, can you please spell out this word
Design.
Design.
once? Design. Design. Okay. Design. Great leaders. Great leaders want to do the things. They design. They design systems. Remember this one. Great leaders want to do the things. They design systems. Who not how. One wonderful concept we covered. We require to design ecosystems. We require to design ecosystems. We should not keep continuous effort, man. One time design the system and start that. Without us, that thing should run automatically. Okay, design your system. Design your system for automatic process. Automatic process. Design your system for automatic process. Have you remembered who not how? I told so great leaders won't do, they design. Great leaders simply design. What it means? I told what it means. We have to build ecosystems. We require to build ecosystems that run automatically. I told multiple times. Array, every day, every month, you require to pay some payments. Which payments you require to pay? Usually, which payments you require to pay? Usually, every month you are going to pay some payments. Okay, net bill, power bill, next house rent if you are in the rented house. Next
Card bill.
milk bill, milk bill. Next cable TV bill if it is if you are using cable TV, like next multiple bills are there. So every month you have to you require to remember all those dates and you have to pay manually. That's a thing most of the people are doing. Now what I will do is I will make auto payments, okay, from my account. Auto payments from my account. If any conditions are there, okay, those conditions also I will define as a part of that system. If I automate that, then automatically what will happen? Am I required to think about that activity? Believe me, am I required to think about that activity?
No, sir.
No. Pleasantly, I will concentrate on my own bigger activities. So bigger success by default will be there. Believe me, friends. In my house, in my native place, one, two, three power bills will be there. Three power bills are there. In Hyderabad, two houses, Kalpataru, both power bills, office power bill, like almost five electricity bills are there. Believe me, how much amount, how much a day, what is the date, what is the bill payment, am I paid or not? I never require to worry at all. I don't know also. At what time we require to pay? I don't know. How much amount we require to pay? I don't know. Believe me, every time in Kalpataru community, we are getting the mails. These are the pending electrical bill owners. Please clear, otherwise the power will be disconnected. Whenever I'm seeing that community message, I never opened that file. The reason for that is My name won't be there in that. How, sir? Simple. My accountant is there. These are the, this is the way you require to pay. These are the dates. Okay. Can you please pay every month like I gave one-time activity to my accountant. Then automatically, by remembering that day, he is going to pay automatically. I never going to worry about, how much bill, this bill, what is the date, have you remembered the date? All these things are nonsense to me. I arrange a person who is going to take care of all my bills. I never going to worry about that. Such a type of ecosystem we require to build so that we can concentrate only on bigger activities. We can concentrate, bigger results by default will come into the picture. Everyone in the position to understand. Clear, right? So that's what. Design your systems for automatic processing. In our day, if you want to make good habits, compulsory required to do that. Bad habits, impossible to do that. Design the system. Design the system. Ecosystems. Automation. These things are important. So build a system. Build a consistency, which is going to run consistently. Automated, which is going to be done automatically. We are not required to remember like so system, automation, consistency, action, these kind of things are successful terminologies. Motivation, inspiration, willpower, okay, these kind of things are failure people use terminology. Remember that. Don't depend on motivation. Instead of motivation, better to give the word for automation. Automation beats motivation. Remember that. Automation beats motivation. Automation beats willpower. Automation beats your self-control, all these things. No. Every day morning, 2 o'clock, can you please do this activity? That's all. Arrange the system. So, today, why you are not doing? Today interest is not there. Tomorrow interest is there. Most of common habit is this. No. Build a system. Where the things are going to be done automatically. That thing matters a lot. Okay. So, let me talk. Sir, what is the problem? Most people depend on, sir, every word is the golden word. Every line is the golden word. Please observe carefully. Most people depend on willpower. Most people depend on willpower to maintain good habits. Most people depend on willpower to maintain good habits. But when they get tired, when they get tired or busy, when they get tired or busy or stressed, do you know stressed? These are the words. When they are full tired or full busy or full stressed, then automatically where is the motivation to do that? Okay, willpower disappears. Okay, later we will do like we are always keep on postponing. Willpower is disappears. The truth is okay. I'm talking about these good habit, bad habits. If your environment, if your environment allows bad habits, if your environment allows bad habits, they will win every time. Every time. If your environment allows bad habits, they will win every time. Remember that. So, just if you cut the environment, if that environment itself is not there, then there is no question of bad habit, right? So, there is no question of winning the bad habit, right? So, that environment means better to make some system. That's what. Okay. Success becomes easy. Success becomes easy only when you design systems that make good habits automatic. that make good habits automatic. Okay. So easy. Sir, here just observe these two lines are most important. The truth, if your environment allows bad habits, they will win every time. Success becomes easy only when you design systems that make good habits automatic. Automatically you require to do that. Such type of system you require to design. Okay, like sir, now can you please observe when the people get tired, busy, stressed, willpower, motivation, self-control, all the things by default will be gone. That's why willpower is not permanent. It is going to be changed from time to time. Remember carefully. Okay. So just yeah. Any can you please take this line in your notes? But when people get tired, tired, busy, or stressed, willpower, willpower, motivation, willpower and motivation disappears. Please take this line. Most of the people are always telling me, hey, I have strong willpower. I have full motivation. I have full inspiration. I have full self-control. All this nonsense. Design a system which is going to
Yes, sir.
run
Yeah.
automatic every time.
Yes, sir, I agree. Actually, we think, right? So we want to do, but whenever we're busy, we
Yeah,
forget
obviously.
in the by the nature, it is gone. At least we wanted to do something because that focus is not there, or because we don't have an automation automatically getting it done. So yeah, agree. Very much.
If you are feeling some high priority work came, this low
Yeah.
priority work almost you forgot.
Yeah.
Even someone is remembering also, first I have to do this, later I will take care this.
Yes. So, even
So,
even with the good habits, right? Suppose, example, um, I mean, if you're in some meeting or some things, right? Suppose you wanted to do some good habit, at least you should have some system. Example, say reminders or something of that sort every day. Like you don't believe. I mean, especially like every time. Like what will happen is whenever I go to office, I have the habit of having this protein shake. Okay, so
yeah,
whenever I'm busy, I used to forget, even though everything is there. Okay, box is there, this one is there. But some or the other, some meetings or something will happen. So then I was just thinking, suppose I just did one simple thing. So then the automation is every day I created an alarm. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm going to office. It will remind at 11:30, 11:45, 11:50, three times. Like I'm getting the alarm
yes,
with the label. So that automation, right? So sometimes even though I forget, that automation reminds that, okay, you do this, you do
correct.
this. So it'll help. Suppose if it's not possible because some meeting, I'll do a snooze. Then I'll go out, like at least the meeting gets done at 12. So
After
very
that,
much
at least you can do
related.
that.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. So that
So,
automation again, that is also automation only. Yeah, tired, busy, very, very much. Yeah, could relate. Yeah.
stressed, tired, busy, your willpower, your motivation, all these things by default will be gone. So don't depend on your willpower. Don't depend on your motivation. These are things, as the time goes on, these are things will be faded out.